welcome back to the 2022 American Humane Hero Dog Awards Gala. Ordinary dogs who do extraordinary things. Animals do so much for us, and this evening is all about repaying in some small way the love, the service, and the devotion that animals give us every day.
When you consider how much animals do for all of us, it's the very least we can do.
My dear friend and my inspiration, Lois Pope, who is this year's honorary inspirational chair.
One mighty mutt of the 7 you're about to meet will be named America's winning top dog tonight. More than 1 million votes were cast. The winner of this year's Hero Dog Award is Ethan!
After everything he went through, he shows love and compassion and support to everybody that he meets. And so his story and his message is about love and support. And please do something kind for someone today. Thank you very much.